How to convert Figma design to PDF. So hi guys, the first thing that we are going to do is to simply sign into our Figma account. So I have mine here. So you can actually start with a new design, new Figma file, or you could also import a file. However, in my case, I'm gonna make use of a default file that I have right here, or a save file that I have in my Figma, which is the Figma Basics. So here with Figma Basics, when you click on it, you will basically be routed in this section where you can actually edit the file. So let's just wait for the page to load. And as you can see, we have different kinds of pages available here in our Figma. So if we want to convert this into PDF, what we are going to do is to simply go to the upper left-hand corner. So here are the pages. Okay, now once we want to export the file, what we're going to do is to go to the upper left-hand corner and click on the menu button right there. So when you click on the menu button, simply go to export as, or you could also simply click on Ctrl-Shift-E to export, and in that way you don't need to actually go to the upper left hand corner. Now for the file type, choose PDF. For the background, solid. Export file as is. Okay, and then you just need to wait for the file to be downloaded into your local files. And that's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you find this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching.